Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily quit a guild in Palmon Survival. To quit a guild or to remove yourself from a guild in Palmon Survival, first of all, go ahead and launch open the Palmon Survival game on your device first, and once you've opened it up, click on the guild option on the right. Now from the guild menu, click settings at the bottom right and you'll see the quit guild option on the next page. Simply tap on that and you'll be able to quit from a guild. Confirm by tapping the confirm button in the pop-up and you have successfully removed yourself or quit from a guild in Palmon Survival. Now you are free to join into any other guild. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thanks for watching.